Hello, in this video I'm going to show you that whenever you import a model into this Unreal Engine 4 you will get uh, separate components here. So how can you merge them at within a single click to import here? So first you have to click onto the import. Now you can see I have a single file here which is a FBX format. Sometime it come as a single part, but sometime it come as a separate part. So now I think it is a separate part. Yes, it is a separate part. So if I import this into this file here, so I will see all of the component are in different separate parts. You can see that 34 parts are here. So also I'm going to create a folder of this all part so that I can arrange it in a single folder. So first go to the add new create folder and use it as a 3D model. You cannot give a space into this, it will not run. So come into the content and select this. Now you can see if you import this, it will automatically import only a uh, single component. So I have to import all this as one object. So using shift I will select this one and use it by pressing shift. I will select this one so that it can select all of these components. Now I'm going to move into the 3D model, move here, and after moving into this I will select again all of the component by pressing shift. Now I will drag and drop here. Simple. Now by using this I can move it in 90-degree. Okay, so this is how you can import your 3D model into the Unreal Engine 4. If you have any doubt or any query regarding this, you can comment in the comment box. I will upload more videos on the topic, and thanks for watching.